Hey guys, my name is Alston. I'm a self-taught videographer, and today I'll be showing you guys my YouTube studio setup and all the tools that I use to get the look that I want. In my last video, I went over my home office tour, and if you haven't seen that one yet, feel free to check it out. And what you're seeing right now is how this room usually looks. It's where I spend most of my day editing, watching TV, and doing whatever, but I also use the same space to film. So now I'm gonna show you guys the YouTube studio part, and what I'm gonna do is put up the blackout curtains and set everything up. Alexa, turn on desk lights. Yeah, and this is what it looks like. So I don't actually have real blackout curtains, but what I did is I took a black tablecloth and I clipped it to 3 hooks that were screwed on the wall right over my blinds, and having my blinds closed with the tablecloths blocked out pretty much all the light. And with all that, I have my monitors on with just the wallpapers. Then I have this orange light to light up the walls behind the monitors, and it's actually a portable light that is clamped on the monitor arms. I even have a charging cable right here, and when I want to use it somewhere else, I just take it out off the quick release plate. So the idea is my wallpaper is the ocean with a sunset, and because the water is below the sun, I had my desk light set to blue, and I have my orange light against the wall to mimic the sun, and it gives this haloing that's around my head. And behind me on my left is a small light panel that acts as a hair light. I'm not even sure if it's like doing it right now, but it's supposed to give some sort of like light that goes around like the shoulder and the hair. But I'm tweaking that a little bit right now. And lastly, I have my key light right here. And that's all my lighting. For my camera setup, I'll be using my spare to show you guys since I can't use my main to film itself. So for this part, I'll just make it a little vloggy for you guys. So what you're looking at right now is my main rig. That is the Panasonic GH5. That's my main camera. And it's on a tripod right here. That lens is a Sigma 16mm f1.4 right here. Hold on. I don't know if you guys could see that, but there's a cable hanging off of the camera, and that's a plug-in battery so that I could have the GH5 on as long as I need it to be. And going up here, there's this like extender arm for the shotgun mic. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. I like having this extender here because it gives the shotgun mic just like a better angle, I feel, when talking to the camera. And this thing right here, this is actually a teleprompter. I'm going to take it off. But yeah, so, I mean, there's my lens, but this thing, it comes with step-up rings. So then you could just slide it on like that. It's a Padcaster. Hold on, can I even focus on it? Yeah, it's called the Padcaster, not sponsored. So this is the Padcaster app. Let me see. If I click that, right now I just clamped it. So when you like tap, you could read what's on the screen. I know, so original, right? I just wrote that up for you guys. I'm not sure how it works, but the mirror is able to reflect what's on the phone without it actually showing up on camera. It does save a lot of time when you're filming videos and you mess up a lot. You could script it completely. Sometimes I do if it's for like talking about the specs of maybe a camera or something like that, then I'll script. But for most cases, I'll just do an outline and I'll put it on here just so I know which talking point I'm supposed to be at all times. So I have another angle on my desk, and I didn't mention this before, but I have mounts on the left side of my desk. The shorter one is for my camera, and then the taller one is kind of like a boom arm for my mic. And when it's all set up, it looks like this. So again, I have my camera mounted on my desk towards the left. I just put it on the quick release plate that I had set up. My boom arm is right here. Just gonna put that down for you guys. It has my shotgun mic on it for lighting. I didn't put my key light here because it would be way too big for this small area. So what I did is I took the hair light, which is usually right here. I put that behind my monitor to use that as a key light. I'm also using lighting from the monitors themselves to light my face. And what's cool about this view is my nano leaves are showing up in the background. So I have those set to blue to contrast the orange right here. I have my snake plant in the front, and the light, if you guys remember the light behind my monitor for the main setup, the one that gives the haloing around my head, I just took that out and put it right here. And I feel like this would be a good setup for editing tutorials or any situation where I need to reference something from a computer and talk to you guys about something, anything. But anyways, back to the main setup. So this will be the normal look for all my talking head videos. I'm still trying to figure things out with the theme and different framing for different types of videos, but I'll just let that settle in time because my focus is pushing out content. And I've already got 2 videos in the pipeline for the next few weeks, so stay tuned. Guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited to push out more content, you know, use this space to get all creative and stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.